Okay, so you're gonna go to Google and you're gonna type in Screencast, if I can type it correctly, and then Screencast-O-Matic. Takes you to here. I already have it downloaded, but if you just sign up for free here, and then I sign in with my Google or your other email, whichever one works, and then once you're here and like there might be download the software, do that, and then up here there's a launch recorder, and then it says launch recorder, and then it will pop up your little your software, and then there's like a little box that goes around your screen, and a little thing down here like that says record and stuff, and it will show you like talking. So just do that, and then kind of play with it a little bit and test it out, but that's it. So then after I pause this, I can play it back and it'll play my entire screen.